Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Njoki, but you can call me Zippy. This is that video that we have all been waiting for, where I get to do my own hair. I will be doing knotless braids. Disclaimer, I have never done braids on my hair or anyone's hair. This is the first time I'm trying this, and I hope it turns out nicely. So I have everything set, and these are the braids that I'm going to be using. These are 5 braids, long braids in color 1. Then I have this gel. If need be, this is what I'm going to be using. This is nice and lovely gel, styling gel. And then I have my rattle comb. This I just bought recently. Then clips. Then I have these rubber bands. So I'm going to be sectioning my hair, like the whole head, because I feel like sectioning is what is going to give me an issue. So I'll section my whole head, then I'll use this to separate my sections. And then lastly, I have this braid. This is what they used in the salon. This is the only part of the pack that I was left with. So yeah, that makes my whole braiding, my whole braids 5.5. I hope they will fit perfectly. I'm going to be doing medium size braids, so yeah, let's get into the parting first. Let me just adjust you.
That's how it goes. That's how it goes. I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. And I find it so hard knowing you treating me like a mark. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I thought right now. You gotta go, baby. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I thought right now. You gotta go, baby. I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows. Everybody knows, and I feel the blood shaking of every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows. Everybody knows, and I feel the blood shaking of every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. That's how it goes. That's just how it goes. I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. And I find it so hard knowing you treating me like a mark. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I thought right now. You gotta go, baby. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I thought right now. You gotta go, baby. I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows. Everybody knows, and I feel the blood shaking of every single touch. That's just how it goes.
Ooh, you guys. My fingers hurt a lot. So I'm done with this part. Finishing this. And this is the only part remaining. So let's get into this front part and then we'll be done. I actually thought that I would take 2 days to finish this, but from what I'm seeing, I'll only take 1 day. Ooh, and I'm happy. I'm happy.
I can feel your heart racing. Cause everybody knows. Yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Oh, I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. I find it so hard knowing you treated me like a mark. We ain't gotta talk about it right now. Cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I already know. You gotta go, baby. We ain't gotta talk about it right now. Cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I already know. You I can feel your heart racing. Cause everybody knows. Yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Oh, I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. And I find it so hard knowing you treated me like a mark. We ain't gotta talk about it right now. Cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I already know. You gotta go, baby. We ain't gotta talk about it right now. Cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I already know. You I can feel your heart racing. Cause everybody knows. Yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how
So you guys, this is how my braids look after they have dried out. And honestly, I wouldn't say they're perfect because obviously they're not perfect, but I feel proud. I feel like I've really outdone myself. I was not expecting such, to be honest. And I think with I think the second, third and fourth trial I will get better and better. So I did end up using 4 1/4 a braid. Probably that's why they feel light, or maybe it's because they are knotless, I'm not sure. But yeah, I feel really good. So yes, I am not disappointed. Definitely far from that. So see you guys in another video where I'll be sharing with you some few things that I noted when I was doing these braids, so that when you try to do yours or when you want to do yours, at least you'll have some few things to keep in mind. And that will be a plus for you, especially if it's your first time. So bye bye guys. See you in that video.